Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kambale. I completed my graduation in BBA Agri, and then I got to know about the iTpreneur Institute, which is located in Pune, from the social media. I joined there for the software testing course. In this course, I learned about the basics of C language, SQL, and of the domain in the domain of software testing. I learned about the black box testing, white box testing, writing the test cases, writing the test case templates, etc. The sessions were quite interactive, and I gained the knowledge of each and every aspect from it. After completing my course, I got placed in one of the good companies and with the good package. All the thanks for the whole iTpreneur team, especially the placement team, Pranit sir, Yogesh sir, Rushali ma'am, Shivani ma'am, all, and my counselor, Rajveer sir, Snigdha ma'am, and the special thanks to the Imran sir. He was a quite good quality trainer. Thank you.